One soft tissue treatment we utilize in our office is called Graston technique. So this technique uses an instrument to help loosen up any muscle tension or any tightness and helps to break up any scar tissue. So this is great in an area where an area is really chronic, say like the IT band or a quad or a hamstring or even a calf and an Achilles issue. What's great about it, again, the patient can actually feel the injured area. When you take the tool over the affected area, you feel like little ridges or bumps that you're hitting, and that's essentially what we're trying to smooth out or break up as we take the tool over it. And a lot of times patients describe it kind of like hurts good. It feels like you're getting the right spot. And what will happen is you'll get some blood flow into the area, so the area will turn a little bit red. Sometimes you get a little bit of petechiae, which is basically the stage before a bruise would occur, and it's little red dots that you'll notice in an area where there's a problem. So what we're going to do is I'm going to demonstrate what the Graston technique looks like for the hamstring and the calf. So what we're going to have to do is we apply a little emollient to the skin. That allows the tool to slide over the skin without irritating it. So we're going to apply some on her calf area, and then we're going to go up into her hamstring too. And basically we're going like that. Okay, so now what we do is we hold the tool at a certain angle as I take that back and forth over the injured area. And what I'm feeling for any ridges or little bumps that could be causing her issue. So in her upper calf, I feel a little ridge or bump right there. And basically what I'm trying to do with the tool is to help smooth that out or loosen up the tissue. And getting the blood flow into that tissue will help it heal and repair itself. A lot of times it feels like it kind of hurts good. It feels like you're hitting the right spot. And often, like as we're doing it, patients will feel a release of that muscle tissue as we're treating it. We like to use this technique a lot for any Achilles calf issues, quad, hamstrings. We do this a lot on plantar fasciitis in the bottom of your feet. So a lot of times that plantar fascia will get really tight. This is a great technique to help loosen up that tissue and help to take away the pain. So again, same thing with the technique wise for the hamstring. We're gonna go back and forth like that, up and down. And what I also wanna do is I wanna work the tool in multiple different directions. So I'm gonna go north to south, and then we're gonna go sideways as well, because sometimes those knots or adhesions or scar tissue will form in one direction. So we wanna work the tool in multiple different ways to help break up that scar tissue. And post-treatment wise, what a patient will often feel is like a little soreness, almost like they worked out that area. It doesn't hinder any of their activities. They can still go work out or play a sport, but they are going to be a little sore maybe that rest of the day. I just recommend patients drink a little bit more water on days I do the soft tissue treatment, and then that'll help minimize any of the soreness. This is a great technique if we're treating any muscular knots, any scar tissue or muscle adhesions. This will really help to break up that area and to help that heal faster and take away your pain. If you have any questions about the Graston technique, reach out to me at 703-912-7822 or schedule online at novacarwellness.com.